Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Where are we?
We are in Bad Sassendorf, and Bad Sassendorf has saline brine water, and people are bathing in it, and
Bathing it, right? That's right.
yes.
Keine Kälte, aber immer Wärme.
Wärme. Doch ab und zu auch mal Kälte.
Aber ab und zu auch Kälte, ja.
Today we are at Bad Sassendorf with our friends and family here, and this place is well known for its saline.
Where is it? Where is Bad Sassendorf?
Well, Bad Sassendorf is in Northrhine Westphalia in the district of Soest, and this place is well known for its brine water or brine air, so to say.
Yes, Bad Sassendorf, Bad in the word Bad Sassendorf means it has a saline or saline spring or brine spring. So salty water comes from the ground there to bathe in, where they have a big spa for, and also this saline, which is a traditional way of curing lung problems, where the salt water is dropping down from the brine works. It's also called a brine works, this building. It's entirely made of wood because iron would rust, and it's an old-fashioned good old thing. And maybe you can see now the salt water dropping down, and it's all brushwood here, so the salt sticks to the brushwood and evaporates there. So you have salty air, like sea air, that you can inhale there and heal your lungs and cure your lungs. And right next to it is the spa where you can bathe in the saline water, and it's really that salty that you swim up in it. So, and Bad means spa town or a town with a saline spring. So every city that has this in its name is a town where you have that kind of a spring. So
And not just the lung problem or the breathing problem that it helps to heal, but also skin problems. And it can heal some long-term pain that you have in your body and in your spine. So it is really good, and you can really feel the difference when you come here in the air that you breathe. It's really good, and I'm sure about it that it is very helpful in healing different kind of problems that people have. Yeah,
and it's really good to walk through this Brine Works building here, and it's a newer one. Before they had an old one, and they rebuilt it. And maybe you can see in the corner there, and you will see soon again, they have on the attic on this thing, they have some whiskey casks to mature the whiskey there. In Scotland they mature the whiskey at the seaside. Here is no seaside, it's right in the middle of the country, so they mature it here. There it was again. And they make whiskey here as well. And it's Bad Sassendorf is not only that, they have a lot of health clinics and spa clinics and rehabilitation centers for people that had surgery. They are there for 4 weeks or so and spend time there, and it's a big park area with a lot of things to see. Very nice to take a walk there. Of course, in the summer there's more going on, but right now in the winter there's a little bit less. But they also had a Christmas market, which we will see the rest of. And around here you will see all these benches where you can sit, and you can really climb on top here and have a view over the park.
Yeah.
Oh, they even have an elevator here. That's one of a kind here. I think they have one of the biggest brine works buildings I have seen. It's pretty big. Oh, who's that? In the background you see the spa and the pools. The far background.
There we are.
Oh, you see the whiskey
Come
cask here on the attic in the distance.
Yeah, I think there are not more than 5-7 barrels.
Yeah, not that much. And I think there was a list where you could register to get a bottle of this.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
you
it
have a
was all-
QR code
Yeah.
mentioned there.
Yeah.
so-
I think it's already sold out. I don't know. There is a little river also running through it, very small but very nice. And you have ducks there, and you have a little lake. Here's a shepherd. In these German houses, the typical wood-framed houses.
Yeah, we have been here for almost, I think, 4 times, and I guess in different seasons. So it's really cool to see how one town looks so different in different seasons. In spring, it's really very beautiful with all the colors you can see of the nature.
There's also a lake and a forest. In this video we won't see that, but yeah, it's actually a little town. It's not completely artificial for the spa guests. No, it's a real town where people live in. But this is part of a health clinic. And then you have all these funny sculptures here.
Yeah.
Bronze sculptures. You can see still the rest of the Christmas market here. It's now closed because it was 25th of December.
Yeah, we came here right after our dinner, and in a Yugoslavian
Restaurant.
restaurant,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
that was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we thought of going to Bad Sassendorf
Walk
to
a
have
little
a
bit,
good
yeah.
walk and maybe digest some of the food that we ate. Yeah. And this is really cool. This is really funny.
Oh yeah,
actually.
yeah. I know this sculpture here from being when I was a small child playing with these here. It's a sculpture you can move.
Yeah, you can turn and twist every joints of the sculpture, and it's really nice to play with. You can see everybody is playing with it, trying to turn it in a funny way or in a scary way.
It's a little bit scary, I have to say. Yeah.
It is, but it really depends on the angle, you know.
And maybe you can see in the background it depicts also the salt works or the brine works. The twigs
Yeah.
are visible in the background here. So, and it's not only a sculpture, it's also a little fountain.
Yeah, and this place also has some nice cafes where you can sit and have some coffee and cake and it's a
Nice restaurants
place.
here.
Yeah.
It's a really nice place. Yes.
Yeah, and you can really have a good time even if you are here for an hour or 2.
Yeah.
You can still
It relaxes
enjoy
you.
some
It relaxes you.
medicinal properties of the air here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But now we give you some relaxation time, and we say goodbye. And until next time.
Yeah, do not
please-
forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. And watch our other
And-
videos as well. There's something for everyone.
Yeah, exactly.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.